Welcome to the debate about AC Eco Mode. Does it really save you money on the hottest days, or is it a false economy? We're diving deep into efficiency, comfort, and real-world performance. Let's explore the mechanics of saving and understand what happens behind that Eco button on your remote. This mode is designed to optimize your AC's operation. A C Eco mode or economy mode reduces energy consumption by limiting the activity of key components. It prioritizes efficiency over speed, making sure the unit doesn't overwork itself to reach the set temperature quickly. This can lower utility bills on standard days. Eco mode operates through three main mechanisms. First, fan modulation cycles the fan off when the compressor isn't cooling. Second, compressor speed is limited to avoid high-intensity cooling cycles. Finally, set point adjustment silently nudges your target temperature up by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius over time. Manufacturers often promise up to 30% estimated savings under ideal laboratory conditions. They also recommend setting the temperature to 24 degrees Celsius, the sweet spot for maximum eco mode efficiency. Now for the reality check. When the mercury hits 40 degrees Celsius, the rules of the game change entirely. Extreme heat presents a unique challenge for eco mode. The hot day paradox shows that on extremely hot days, the AC must work continuously. In eco mode, restricted compressor speed may result in 100% runtime at lower efficiency, meaning the unit may never reach the set point and potentially costing you more. High humidity is another issue. Eco mode's frequent cycling means moisture can evaporate back into the room before draining, leading to a sweaty result. This can make 24 degrees Celsius feel like 28 degrees Celsius, potentially negating any energy savings. This chart illustrates energy trends on an extreme heat day. Standard mode has a high startup, but quickly maintains the temperature efficiently. Eco mode struggles to reach the goal, running continuously at a restricted speed, keeping consumption high. Here are pro tips for the hottest days. Pre-cool by running your AC in standard mode early in the morning, then switch to eco to maintain. Use solar shading to reduce heat load. Perform filter maintenance for efficient flow. Finally, use ceiling fans to circulate air and set the AC higher without sacrificing comfort. The verdict is that eco mode saves money when the task is realistic, such as when cooling demand is low. On extreme days, use standard mode to reach your target temperature, then toggle to eco to stay there.